So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon water heater. So starting at the top, we just took and cleaned up some of the piping that was up there. When we came out before, they'd installed some iron pipe nipples up here, and they were corroding. So what we did is we pulled them out, cleaned up the fittings, put in some new brass nipples, brass shutoff valve, and then also over on the other side you can see brass nipple going over the hot side. So what you've got here is Falcon stainless steel connector going down to the cold water, and then of course over on this side Falcon stainless steel connector coming from the hot down to the top of the pump. It's not plugged in yet because we don't have an extension cord, but we did get the crossover valve in the master bath, so that's good. To monitor this for leaks, I'll check it out in a minute just to make sure that we're good to go. And then new venting, adjustable 90s on the bottom, top, and then new piece of pipe. So that's good. Everything's going to vent nice now. And then of course you've got your adjustable straps, upper third, lower third, and then brand new gas shutoff valve as per contract, and then a gas supply line. We always like to give you at least a new supply line, and then sometimes we'll put a gas valve on there depending on the age of the home, the age of the existing one. That way we're pretty confident we don't have to come back for just a minor repair and end up with an additional charge. You are set at hot, which is 120. I would leave it there. You can read the sign. Scalding risk increases with hotter water. Hot is about 120, A 130, B 140, C 150, and then very hot 160. So at B 140, you got 30-degree burns in 3 seconds. So leave it down there at 120. Some people like it up at 140, but just be mindful of small children in the home. You know, getting into like a full flow faucet, like a two lever sink in a bathroom, and putting on full hot, because they will get scalded, and that'd be a problem. So relief valves installed, and it's popped out. I imagine the other end of this line goes outside and terminates, so that's tied in. We're going to see if the homeowner has an extension cord to tie into the little outlet right there, so we can get this pump tied in and get it going. Outside of that, this installation is done.